I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Wipe the True Depth camera with a microfiber cloth and remove any screen protector that could block sensors. Once done, confirm your iPhone has the latest iOS by going to Settings, General, Software Update. Install while connected to Wi-Fi and power. Next, go to Settings, Face ID and Passcode, and reset Face ID. Then restart your iPhone to clear temporary faults. This sequence addresses the majority of simple sensor and software conflicts immediately. Now recalibrate Face ID properly. Hold the iPhone at arm's length, position your face inside the frame, and complete 2 full face scans with slow circular motions. Make sure lighting is even rather than backlit. Then inspect the True Depth area for hairline cracks or debris near the front camera. Physical damage needs service. Also disable attention, aware features, and temporarily remove apps that use the camera, so you can isolate software interference. This helps you identify whether the issue is calibration, hardware, or app-related. Finish by backing up your iPhone, then perform a factory restore if Face ID remains non-functional. Restore from backup only after testing Face ID post-restore. If the problem persists, it likely is a True Depth hardware fault. Contact Apple support or an authorized repair shop for diagnostics and potential module replacement. If you need one quick troubleshooting tip, create a new user profile or sign in with a different Apple ID and retry Face ID. This can reveal account-specific settings or profile corruption causing failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.